As part of Indigenous Heritage Month observances, students of Pleasance Secondary are the latest to participate in a lecture series focusing on the Indigenous peoples and their culture. Here's more.
As Indigenous Month continues, Guyana's first Amerindian pilot and president of the Amerindian Development Fund, Ovid Williams, along with Environmental Protection Agency Representative Romario Hastings and Indigenous Heritage Queen Shariana Balkaran, engaged Pleasance Secondary students. The interactive lecture examined Indigenous beliefs, food, clothing, housing, language, and tools used for hunting, and also included a presentation on some of the Indigenous materials. The students displayed some of the Indigenous wear, cuisine, art, and traditional dance in appreciation of Indigenous Month. Several schools across Georgetown are also benefiting from this initiative by the Ministry of Indigenous Peoples Affairs, which aims to enhance students' understanding and appreciation of the Indigenous people of Guyana. Reporting for InfoHub, Crystal Starr.